So today we are going to be checking out some shocking hair transformations. Here we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. Oh, she switches it up to this cute mini bob style. Very nice. And this is such a simple, chic haircut. Moving on to transformation number 2, she has this gorgeous red lip here, and it looks like the stylist is cutting the hair into a bob. She ended up getting some curtain bangs with this style as well. She can also wear the bang swept to the side. Here we have someone with long waist-length hair. That stylist is cutting that hair right off, and she gets a bob with bangs. I love the carefree feel that bobs offer. It just seems like such a carefree, simple style that is very low maintenance. Next up, here we have someone with a pixie. Looks like she's getting a cut refresh here. Wow, okay. Oh, she went a little bit lavender with the color. Oh, that is super cute. It's like a very light rose gold or lavender. Beautiful. Here we have someone with some curly wavy hair. It looks like the stylist is cutting the hair into a pixie. Little bit of flipped ends going there in the back. Oh, this is absolutely adorable. Baby bangs in the front. Her curly texture looks really cute with that cut too. Moving right along, here we have someone, she's cutting her own hair here. Stylist, of course, shapes it up. Looks like she is getting a pixie bob or a pixie style. Oh, wow. Bangs in the front. Stylist adding a little bit of texture there. Very nice. She seems very excited and happy with this haircut as well. You can tell that she's loving it. Next up, wow, okay, so he is cutting a lot of hair here. Going super short with the pixie. And here we have someone, she has this beautiful thick curly hair. Looks like she's just getting a trim here. I mean, she has gorgeous hair. She can wear it curly or straight. Look at that volume. Beautiful layers were put in. Stunning. Now the hair definitely has a little bit more voom and oomph to it overall. Next up, we have someone with hair around the shoulder length. He already has some things. Let's see what the stylist does. Ooh, she gets a cute little bob here. Very nice. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed taking a look at all of these must-see hair transformations. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.